Sure, got more eBay packages in my box, and now I got the shipping labels off. One nearly almost off. But you should see the addresses and stuff inside this package. I'm gonna show you this first. So order a few Phoenix connectors. That's it. Got like 5 useful connectors. Looks good. Might have to pause on this. Maybe. I use it for the cable part I'm getting. The QSC SBA 400. That's what it's called. I got the 100 watt this time, not the 60 watts. That wasn't loud enough. I need to drive my electric jet with full clean power. I think they're 60 watts RMS though, but they need like at least 100 watts to drive them. They're very inefficient. You get streaming with the proper amplifier and stuff. That's why I got a very powerful amp for my subwoofer. Using fucking like additional packages. I hope that speaker came in good condition. Oh wow. I messed up my phone camera. box seems fucking crushed. A 3-inch one. I hope this came in good condition. Like, it's fucking rare, that too. The box is like severely damaged. I think the drawer appears to look at least okay though. Frame is barely bent or anything like that. So laying flat. Just a little bend, but I can fix it. But it doesn't really like look bent. Anyway, floor's causing it to move. It's so like minimal. Just a 4-inch one. It really could fit everything in a cart, like a big cardboard box. It's sufficient bubble wrapping without any excessive tape. Here's the 4-incher one. That one's not bent at all. Looks cool too. When it's back to a little bit though. They both look really good. I can't like leave a negative review or even a neutral one. They look good. Just the package is just not the best. But nonetheless, they came in perfect shape. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.